Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to make a birthday video on Canva. So guys, search on Canva here, video, as you can see here on the search bar. After that, create a blank video. As you can see here guys, this is a blank video, and on templates guys, click here happy birthday. In this example I want to choose this template. You have a lot of templates guys, just drag here and you can increase here. As you can see here, you can added more templates, as you can see here and here, and you can upload guys an image. As you can see here, you can upload an image of my PC and you can drag this image here or something like, and you can write here something, happy birthday. As you can see, happy birthday to me, as you can see here, and you can add a new font. As you can see here guys, you can here and you can play the video. This is how you can do guys, and you can edit and you can more duration, added more duration here, as you can see here, and you can added more time here. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.